Buongiorno, ladies and gentlemen, today the first stop is here to see Rosvelta de Nonne. Buongiorno! Signora, buongiorno, come va? Guarda che belle! Le maestre delle gnocche. Signora, buongiorno anche a lei! Buongiorno! Tutto bene, the best pastry shop in the universe! In the universe! The third generation is Angelo's family, but Rosvelta took over in the pastry shop. She is the queen of cakes. Angelo is making the pasta. He's the pasta man, and that's a sweet lady. Rosvelta mom, third generation, and this is the mom, 93 years old. She's a gnocchi lady. La signora degli gnocchi. And here we have the lady, Angelo's mom. A massive award they won here in Italy for pasta and pastries. This is the Excellence of Italian Food Award. Today Nonna is the assistant because the age, the experience, Nonna is the assistant.
Grazie.
We're very lucky to be here and meet these wonderful ladies. The tradition, the history.
Un bacio che ci abbiamo riveduto.
This is so nice. Look at this.
Grazie a loro che mi hanno ospitato.
Today Nonna is the assistant of this lady. A portion of Italian custard and chocolate custard. So I don't know if this will be enough for all of us today, but we'll try and make it work. Please have a look at the color, okay? Have a look how yellow it is. Look how yellow it is. Look at that.
Wow.
That's a yellow organic color.
Okay.
Facciamo anche l'accento.
Oh
Yeah,
wow.
so she still makes the ones, this one's 5X, but she makes the really large ones with 100 still as well. Yeah.
Giving a little taste of pan di Spagna, which is sponge cake. So she's making 3 layers. 3 layers, well 4, but yeah, 3 cuts, 2 cuts. No, 3 cuts.
3 cups, yeah.
Yum. This is alchems. Alchems is it's used a lot in Italian and French pastries. That's what he said. And this is rum, but it's not the rum that you drink. It's a rum for cakes. Okay, it's not the Cuban rum that you drink. So it's very important you have your sponge wet.
This particular layer. Just a little bit of almond.
Because the almond is a wet cream, this one, you don't need to put too much liquid because it will keep it moist. Moles, cams, the rum, yeah, just enough to give the flavor. Yeah, look how thick that chocolate is. I tried many times in Sydney to make this for cannoli. You need the ingredients for you to do that. Honestly, you need the organic ingredients. And he said, and now it's time for the cream. Look how thick that cream is.
That's absolutely amazing.
It is amazing, isn't it?
Possiamo accontentarlo.
Show me his face.
Possiamo accontentarlo.
That's a good face.
But else want to try the almond?
Beh sì, bisogna.
On the top part, you want to be extremely generous with the liquids. More, because you want all the liquids to go down and to make the sponge cake soft. That's the almond mix. There's a lot of alcohol in there.
Abbiamo quella pronta e la assaggiamo.
So this now has to go in the fridge. This is going in the fridge right now, overnight.
Tutti i sapori si
So all the flavors get together,
And it sets.
they make love together, they set, and then tomorrow she will decorate it.
è ancora più buono.
Yeah.
Ora prendiamo quella pronta.
She said if you don't finish it, you're not allowed to leave.
Oh my god, okay. Alright, let's start eating, guys. Okay, that's still a small piece. Is that a small piece for you guys, or?
Oops.
Yeah, that's good.
How is it? Huh? It is good, huh? It is an experience. Wait, you have diabetes. And you finished it, so it must be good. Alright, this is the pasta production. Oh, the pasta is made by the master.
I ravioli.
He's making ravioli.
La sfoglia.
Questo è il ravioli machine. That's the ricotta. Ooh, that's a lot of ricotta.
Ricotta, spinaci, parmigiano, noce moscata, sale, 3 kg di ricotta,
Oh wow. So she does 3 kilos of
5-6 kg di
ricotta,
ravioli. Totale.
which makes 5 to 6 kilos of ravioli at a time.
Deve semolina, so non che sta.
Farina di riso.
Ah, di riso.
Oh, it's rice flour.
And in the meantime, they're making the pasta as well. They're making guitarra here, see with this machine. So, just in case, this is a production, full swing. Look, the guitar is coming out. Show the cakes. Oh, this is the cake for. Oh, nice. No, non gli far vedere. Look, with the cake with us on there. Grazie Rosvelta. Grazie mille. Say goodbye. And it's time to go and do the porchetta day, porchetta lunch. Oh yeah. Guys, welcome to San Pietro, a beautiful town on top of the mountain. Look, the town is they're praying, so don't be loud. This is an Italian procession.
E non ci indurre in tentazione, ma liberaci dal male. Amen. Santa Maria, Madre di Dio, prega per noi peccatori, adesso e nell'ora della nostra morte. Amen.
Nada, eccola qui, Nada! Buongiorno! Look! This is Il Mandrone. Used to be a stable and now is a slow food restaurant. They win so many awards, see? Lots of awards. And she has a restaurant. The people come and see it from all over Italy and also America, Canada and Australia. This is the menu of Il Mandrone. Buongiorno! Hey, how are you? Mom and Marcello came to welcome. Hey! Welcome to San Pietro! Mamma, buongiorno mamma. I'm going to walk through some ruins. See, this is a ruin. I mean, the outside is nice, but look at the inside. Buongiorno.
Potete vedere pure di qua comunque, ci sta pure
Okay, she said, have a look on this side too. Ah, this is nice. Walking with a local. Welcome to the Piazza of San Pietro. This water is nice. You follow the rose petals to go to the destination. This is Mom and Nonna's house. This property is owned by a priest who is a volunteer. He spends most of his time in Africa. Eccolo Paolo! Hey! Hey! Prego, prego. Ah, abbraccia tutti quanti, vai, vai. Grazie Marcello. And this is the beautiful table organized for our guests. This is the wonderful sauce. Vai, fammi vedere questa bella carne. Can you smell it? Gira, gira, gira.
Cici, nice to meet you.
This is the last bottle of prosecco we're going together. All we need to do now to start the lunch and for everyone to relax is to open the prosecco. Prego, Giuseppe.
I think my favorite was Tremedy Islands because of just how magical and beautiful the water was, and we were the only people there. Like, you wouldn't get that experience anything else. Another top moment is just being surrounded and meeting your whole family, Vincenzo. It's been an honor and pleasure meeting all of you, and then just creating wonderful friendships with everyone who's been on the tour. It's just been a great overall experience. I think the sad part is, we just don't want to. We don't want to leave. We just want to continue on the adventure. So it's been an awesome week. So thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
They look like olives,
Yeah.
but they are not
They're actually
olives.
peach.
They are
Not
baby peach.
Baby peach.
Baby peaches.
Baby
Facciamo
peaches.
Due per loro, due.
There for 2 years.
Local tomatoes. Look how fresh they are. Here we have a beautiful chickpeas and porcini soup.
You can taste the different flowers.
Beautiful. Porcini and chickpeas. Yummy.
2, 3.
Yeah, look what we have. We have 2 kilos of beautiful pappardelle, fresh pappardelle made this morning. So here, Marcello here, Grande Marcello. He always helping us. Okay, so it's wild boar ragu. Ooh, wow. Marinated for 24. Marinated in the red wine for 24 hours and slow cooked for 5 hours. Wow. Taste tasting to make sure the pasta is cooked.
Dipendiamo da te se la pasta è buona o meno.
Un altro minuto.
1 minute.
Okay. Look at that ragu. So, yeah. It's happening.
Togliamo tutta l'acqua.
Vai, bella bagnata questo sughetto, bello bagnato e unto. Yes. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Qua piena.
Non ce la voglio. Tutto sugo.
Vai, butta. Metti più Giuseppe, vai, continua.
finale, Paolo.
Vieni a servire qua per favore. Qua c'è uno spazio libero, così mettiamo. Vai col sugo, vai. No, vabbè, tranquillo, ci abbiamo tempo. Please enjoy, guys. You can do what you like, as long as you eat the pasta. You know what, the pasta will break in your belly anyway, so break it before if it makes it easier.
Well, this is how I do it.
It's my parmigiano.
Yum. Would you like some?
Yes, please.
Yum.
Yeah, that's the way. Thank you, sir. Really appreciate. I'm having a second plate, you know why? Because I'm not sure if it's good or if it is fantastic, so I need to judge it.
There was excitement in Abruzzo because the word had passed around that the prodigal Vincenzo was about to come to town. First and foremost was Queen Julie, a traveller who gets about. She claimed to be from Australia, but then she was found out.
It's okay.
To meet his mum and Nonna, Dad Paolo and all the crowd. He has given us all an experience and challenged our stamina for eating, drinking, walking while containing his infectious mania. Suzanne, the tireless worker, the organiser, the friend, who keeps her Vincenzo going in what seems a seamless trend. So we all join together, greeting our new mates with thanks to our hosts for creating Vincenzo's place.
Thank you, everyone. Amazing. Oh my god, it's porchetta time. Listen to the sound of music. Yeah.
Dite come crocca.
Oh.
There it is.
Look at that. Look at that perfection. Guarda che bello shot sexy che ho.
Allora hanno detto metti sul tavolo e se lo vogliamo lo facciamo.
Guarda là, facenti la crosta un'altra volta, facenti la crosta.
Vale?
Oh yeah.
The meat is moist. Look how moist it is. And crunch
too.
Look at these beautiful salads, look. Look at these beautiful salads. Ah, Liz. Oh, look how beautiful this is. We have this beautiful cake where our picture is represented. We've got the muffins made by Cecilia and the famous crostata con l'uva. What's the noise?